Welcome to Boracay, Station 2 Beach. Look at this huge sandcastle. And at the background are the beach goers. It's rainy and windy these days here in Boracay because of the monsoon rains. Look at the fine Boracay powdery sand. There are so many people swimming at the beach, though it's windy and rainy these days. Look at this huge sandcastle. Boracay, September 16, 2024. Tall coconut trees, windy, and cloudy sky. It's about nightfall. Look at the shops. Lights are on. It's about nightfall in Boracay at Station 2 Beach. The beachgoers are still swimming and walking along the beach. So many people at the beach. Locals and foreign tourists all over here seeking refuge in the beach. They also pose beside or at the back of the huge sandcastle. See the shops along the beach are full of tourists.